Alright, so we're here, we're ready to fish. Nathan is using a special ride today. We don't have a third kayak, so. Oh. Oh, almost lost the GoPro. Alright, let's see what we can get. It actually goes pretty fast. I don't think it'll be too hard to tow. Oh, oh, oh! Bouncing off. That's so funny. Troll? There's too much grass. It started like sinking. Alright, Nick, you want to try this way next time? Nick, where are we trying first? Nick! Where are we going? First dock? You should let me re-rig really quick. What? How can we not do this right? You're in a raft. You're already wet. Yeah, because you don't have to do shit. What? Just sit back with a couple of beers and chill. Hey, that's a solid 2-pounder. Maybe 9. I'll just go with 10. Really? Is it like slow and weird? Maybe this lake is just like turned off right now. You see that? Hold them up here. Show them off a little bit. Hey, that's a fat fish. These fish are fat. You can see.
Yeah, it's the first one.
It's so slow. Why was it so like good last time? Oh! 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 Did you see that? Oh, that's a big fish. Oh, these damn hooks don't hook them. You hit it right up next to the boat. What the f***? He ripped the hooks off! Yeah. Your Snorm swim bait. Only bite I get all day. It breaks my freaking lure.